Today, my topic for the presentation is types of research: basic, applied, quantitative and qualitative research. Dear viewer, please watch the entire video. The video will be followed by MCQs based on the presentation. Dear viewer, let us first try to understand basic research. Fundamental research, it's often referred to as pure or fundamental research, is a type of scientific investigation that aims to expand our understanding of fundamental principles and concepts without specific practical applications in mind. It forms the basis for applied research and often leads to the development of new theories and discoveries. Here are key points of basic research. Objective. The primary objective of basic research is to advance knowledge and gain a deeper understanding of the subject under study. No immediate application. Basic research does not have immediate practical or commercial applications. Instead, it seeks to answer broad and fundamental questions. Theoretical exploration. Researchers in basic research focus on theoretical exploration, often leading to the development of new hypotheses and theories. 4. Pure knowledge. Basic research pursues knowledge for its own sake, without any specific goal of immediate problem solving or commercial application. 5. Long-term impact. While not immediately practical, basic research often has far-reaching and long-term impacts on various fields by providing a deeper understanding of the natural world. 6. Interdisciplinary nature. It often involves collaboration across different scientific disciplines and may lead to unexpected discoveries. 7. Influence on applied research. Findings from basic research can later influence applied research and technological advancements. 8. Continuous exploration. It is an ongoing and continuous process, as each discovery often raises new questions and areas for exploration. Second type of research is applied research. It is a type of scientific investigation that is conducted with the specific goal of addressing practical problems, improving processes, or finding solutions to real-world issues. It is designed to have direct and immediate applications in various fields. Here are key points of applied research. Objective. The primary objective of applied research is to solve practical problems and provide actionable solutions. Real-world application. Applied research is driven by the need to address specific challenges or questions in various domains, including science, engineering, healthcare, and social sciences. Problem-centric. Researchers in applied research focus on real-world problems, and their work is often guided by the demands and needs of industries, organizations, or communities. 4. Practical solutions. Applied research aims to generate practical solutions, innovations, or interventions that can be readily implemented to address specific issues. 5. Direct impact. The findings of applied research have immediate implications and can lead to tangible improvements in technology, processes, policies, or practices. 6. Problem-solving orientation. Researchers often collaborate closely with industry, government agencies, or non-profit organizations to address specific challenges. 7. Measurable outcomes. Applied research often involves the collection of data and the measurement of outcomes to evaluate the effectiveness of the proposed solutions. 8. Innovation and development. Applied research can lead to the development of new products, services, or technologies that benefit society and the economy. 9. Feedback loop. Applied research is often iterative, with researchers refining their approaches based on feedback and practical results. Third type of research is quantitative research. It is a systematic empirical approach to study phenomena through the collection and analysis of numerical data. It focuses on quantifying relationships, patterns, and trends, and it is often used to test hypotheses and draw statistical inferences. Here are key points of quantitative research. Objective. The primary objective of quantitative research is to gather, analyze, and interpret numerical data to answer research questions or test hypotheses. Numerical data. Quantitative research relies on data that can be measured, counted, and expressed in numerical terms, such as survey responses, test scores, and statistical records. Statistical analysis. Researchers use statistical techniques to analyze data and draw conclusions, making it possible to generalize findings to larger populations. Quantification. Researchers convert qualitative observations into quantitative data, allowing for precise comparisons and statistical testing. 5. Structured data collection. Data is collected using structured instruments like questionnaires, standardized tests, or observations with predefined measurement scales. 6. Objective and replicable. Quantitative research aims for objectivity and replicability, where other researchers can repeat the study using the same methods and obtain similar results. 7. Large sample sizes. Quantitative studies often involve larger sample sizes to ensure statistical significance and generalize findings to broader populations. 8. Hypothesis testing. Researchers formulate hypotheses and use statistical tests to determine whether there is a significant relationship between variables. 9. Descriptive and Inferential Statistics. Quantitative research employs descriptive statistics, e.g., mean, median, standard deviation, for summarizing data, and inferential statistics, e.g., t-tests, regression analysis, for making inferences. 10. Objective measurement. Objective measures and standardized instruments are often used, reducing the potential for researcher bias. 11. Survey research. Surveys are a common method of collecting quantitative data, allowing researchers to collect data from a large number of respondents efficiently. Fourth type of research is Qualitative Research It is an empirical research approach that seeks to understand and interpret human behavior, experiences, and phenomena through non-numerical data such as text, images, or observations. It focuses on exploring and uncovering complex, context-rich narratives. Here are brief points of qualitative research. Objective. The primary objective of qualitative research is to gain an in-depth understanding of social, cultural, psychological, or behavioral phenomena. Non-numerical data. Qualitative research relies on data in the form of words, narratives, images, or observations, rather than numerical measurements. Exploration and description. Researchers explore and describe the nuances, meanings, and interpretations of phenomena. Small, purposeful samples. Qualitative studies often use smaller, purposefully selected samples to delve deeply into specific contexts or experiences. 5. Subjectivity and context. Researchers acknowledge their role and perspective in data collection and analysis, recognizing that subjectivity is a valuable aspect of qualitative research. 6. Thematic analysis. Data is analyzed thematically, identifying recurring patterns, themes, and categories within the qualitative material. 7. Contextual understanding. It aims to understand phenomena in their real-life context, taking into account cultural, social, and historical factors. 8. Participant perspectives. Researchers often incorporate the perspectives and voices of participants directly, using quotations and narratives in reporting findings. 9. Flexible research designs. Qualitative research designs are flexible, allowing for adaptations during data collection and analysis as new insights emerge. 10. Grounded theory. A qualitative approach that seeks to develop theories grounded in the data itself rather than applying pre-existing theories. 11. Ethnography. An immersive qualitative method where researchers live within a community or culture to understand it from the inside, often used in anthropology and sociology. 12. Case studies. Qualitative research frequently employs case studies to provide in-depth examinations of specific individuals, groups, or events. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.